Bones tardes, amics meus tots. Benvinguts al 5è gameplay. Max fucking Payne 3. Sí senyor, aquest joc de Rockstar Games. Bum, bum, bum. Em feia molta il·lusió ja començar-lo. L'he començat amb la meva compte. I vaig per una missió bastant avançada, però el torno a repetir per fer-ho let's play, saps? I bé, aquí és com si el tornés a començar. Posem el volum perquè aquesta cosa hi senti millor. Max Payne 3. La banda sonora és bestial, tot és bestial en aquest joc. Sí senyor, Rockstar Games, moltes gràcies, tu has currat una altra vegada, felicitats. Ets un crack, puto crack, Rockstar Games. Cargando, va, jefe. Full-star brillo. Ah, fuck, sí, ja està bé. Carallo, va. Subtítols són petitíssims, Disfrutem d'aquesta escena. Max Payne. Un home entormentat. Boom. Presentació brutal,
Time to move on. Get on with my life. Yes, absolutely.
Rockstar Studios Production. És bestial, te la presenta com una pel·lícula de novel·la negra.
Now, like I said, it was a long time ago.
Mataren la seva dona i la seva filla.
Seriously.
Un home sense dona, sense filla. No sé com dir-ho. Bueno, és un tio traumat, vale? Els dos anteriors era a Nova York, ambient noir, barris baixos, ets un ex-detectiu i ara treballa com a mercenari per així, entre cometes, refer la seva vida. És addicte a l'alcohol, als analgèsics... Rockstar mai dobla els jocs. I això m'encanta. Addicte als analgèsics.
Maybe I lost my self-respect, but it's back. I'm excited. Really. I really needed a new start. I think you're right. I think I am gonna like it here.
Me va gustar.
It's certainly a New Jersey.
Aquest és el Max Payne de tota la vida. Un ambient noir, la jaqueta de cuir, les 1911, aquí canvia, Sao Paulo. Brasil. Tiroteig amb les faveles. Un iaio de 40 anys. Ja és el mateix. Una ambientació nova. Jerk. Payne, Michelle. La seva pobra dona assassinada per uns yonquis. I els dos anteriors jocs era de buscar els fabricants de la droga que s'havien pres els yonquis per matar la seva dona i el seu fill, així com la seva filla, com a missió de venganza, no? Per dir-ho d'alguna manera. Pobre home. Turmentat, fracassat, intenta de refer la vida com a mercenari per uns ricachons, els Branco en diuen. Bueno, com ja veieu, comença el joc i la presentació és boníssima. Història, arcade, multijugador, ajustes i PlayStation Store. Història nueva. Media, difícil, media. Automàtica, això és la punteria, jocs de Rockstar, quan apuntes si es queda al lloc, això, si apuntes que se'n va joc d'un rato, bueno, punteria libre, no, semiautomàtica, jo sempre he jugat amb semiautomàtica, sin invertir vista, comencem, Max, comencem la teva gloriosa aventura. Hi ha moltes escenes, Està plantejat com una pel·lícula noir, un cinema que t'hi cagues de bo. Pum pum, pum pum, pum pum, pum pum. Tócatelas, pálpatelas. Oh, un flash forward.
So I guess I've become what they wanted me to be. A killer.
Killer.
Some rent-a-clown with a gun who puts holes in other bad guys. Well, that's what they had paid for, so in the end, that's what they got. Say what you want about Americans, but we understand capitalism. You buy yourself a product and you get what you pay for. And these chumps had paid for some angry gringo without
Angry gringo.
Here I was about to execute this poor bastard like some dime store angel of death. And I realized they were correct. I wouldn't know right from wrong if one of them was helping the poor and the other was banging my sister.
Ha! Aquests monòlegs interiors amb el Max són la puta polla. Ole! Sao Paulo, Brasil.
I'd arrived in Sao Paulo a few weeks before. I was working a protection detail for the kind of people who need protection in a town like this. And what kind of town was this? One where I didn't speak the language and they didn't water down their drinks. So for now, we seemed to get along just fine. Of course, that was about to change.
Hey, brother.
Què tal? Raúl Passos, o com m'agrada més dir-li, Ernest Murriguell.
Scotch.
Què tal, Ernest?
Fix my drinks.
Well, at least not on duty.
Something like
És
that.
el tio que li va oferir la feina, va dir.
That's favela.
Estava acabat a Nova York i va venir l'Ernest i li va dir «Per què no et vens a Brasil conmigo? Ens muntem aquí un tiroteig».
Swing.
I guess they call it trickle-down economics.
That's funny.
It's supposed
Yeah.
to be a charity thing. Drink and give money. I don't know, something for the kids. Hey, listen, man. We better look lively. This place is a nightmare. You just got cowboys
és una pesadilla?
downstairs. Something rotten in the air.
That didn't mean much. There was always something rotten in the air.
Veu en off, és brutal, això del veu en off.
Rich parasites with delusions of humanity.
Està narrada així com punto de vista.
Magazines or body bags, depending on how their luck runs. So where are they all?
És l'humor Rockstar.
Yeah, I don't know.
Critica totalment aquesta merda de societat en la que vivim. Bum.
I'm not sure. Serious though. Big end cop, anti-gang sort of thing. I can't remember his name.
So who's this guy?
That guy's a plastic surgeon or some kind of surgeon. Tommy toxin, cock implants.
Alarga ampolles.
Look at Marcel. Still dances like a fool.
Guess that's what a European education and a coke habit to drinking party was like.
That's very funny, Max. Oh, excuse me.
No passa res, Ernest.
I was mostly working for
Rodrigo Branco.
a local businessman. Built things, did some charity, had things named after him, won awards, owned things.
Vaja, un jefazo.
One of the trophies he had won was his wife, Fabiana.
Això sí que és un bon trofeu, collons.
Dangerous. Some good genes trying to fight their way out of a cesspit. She'd married well, and was now at leisure to regret her good fortune. They got along as well as any rich workaholic and his younger airhead wife tend to get along. They mostly ignored each other. She spent a lot of time with his cokehead younger brother, Marcello. He was a good-time guy if your idea of a good time was an expensive
Està presentant aquesta agradable parentela.
years. The middle brother, Victor, had just walked in. He was a local politician. Guy was smoother than an oil slick on an iceberg and about as toxic. The rest of the crowd, I didn't know, but I could imagine the types. People who know if they drink enough, they won't have to feel guilty about their good fortune. Suddenly, things turned real ugly. Felt like our hangovers arrived right on cue.
Home, és que allà on va Max Payne hi ha tiros, cony. Porra! Estamos muy locos. Anem a repartir tiros. Sí, senyor. Passos.
Things had gone from fine to fucked
Merda,
up in a
Ernest.
second, and now there were two idiots at the wheel.
Clear.
En totes les missions, l'Ernest Murray sempre m'acompanyarà.
Got this floor? Sure. Look after yourself, bro. Stay safe.
It wasn't my own safety I was concerned about, trophy wife or not. I'd said I would protect the girl.
Protect the girl.
I
It's the most
hoped I
important.
hadn't lost my edge.
Boom!
Everything
It's
else,
motivation time! És el bullet time, però dic motivation time.
a nasty fall or a bullet to the head.
Vale, aquest joc va de Dolphin Dives. Dolphin Dive normal. It's motivation time. Pum pum, pum pum. Vale, bé, bé. Això de motivation time és la polla, eh? En l'anterior joc hi havia el Dead Eye.
That was the
I això
boss
és
lady.
motivation time.
Only this time she wasn't calling for more liquor in her cocktail.
Yeah, I know about this shit. What the fuck is going on here? On collons està el pesat aquest? No, no és per aquí.
She was out on one of the balconies, and I hope trashy magazines and pretty trashy
Ha!
people. I just hope I can keep them out of the crime section.
És la... una de les pistes col·leccionables. I ara cap on? Vale. Calm the fuck down. Calm the fuck down.
It might have been stupidity, drunkenness, or
Va.
maybe both. But before I knew it, I was back taking.
Vaig a fer un motivation time que t'hi cagues de guapo, eh?
Trying to save fallen women.
Va, Max, pensa. Ara. Bona. It's motivation time.
Tranquila.
Tranquil·la.
Nós cuidamos disso. Nice work.
Ernest, acompanya'm.
Hey, you need a hand?
No, you. The hell's Rodrigo?
I don't know, man. Thanks.
Somebody's gotta go find him.
Está tudo sob controle, brother. Fica tranquilo.
Fica tranquil·la. Vale. La noia està salvada. De moment.
I imagine the elevator door is opening to a firing squad of muzzles. As far as I could see it, the one thing my plan had going was that no one else would be stupid enough to pull this move.
Dolphin Dive! Vols estar cobert, jefe? Bueno, dues pistoles. Ara podràs posar-te cobert. Bum! Tu també en vols? Pareix l'any una merda? Dolphin Dive! It's motivation time!
Dragging Bronco along would slow them down, but not much.
Mira'l. Dispara R2 a l'últim enemigo. Bum, 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 bum. Vamos. Poc sàdic, no? Collons de terrorista. Fusell? Per què no?
It looked like they were taking him out through the basement. Maybe I still had a shot. Rodrigo was too rich a prize for them to throw away. Sure, I'd have to work hard to get him back, but I knew the bad guys would want the boss alive. Almost as much as
Fer un
I
motivation time, eh? It's motivation time. No, pa mis, col·lega. Dolphin Dive lateral. Aixeca't, dispara. Dolphin Dive invers. Baixa brutal, Los botones hiperpadeantes abren puertas y portones. Vale, va.
Control box was on the wall to the left of the gate.
Ahora. Increïble, A més, en tot el joc no hi ha seqüències ni res. Sprinta, col·lega. Pistes, te duran aquí. Guaita. Sí, són col·leccionables, has d'anar trobant aquestes pistes a tot el terra. Són opcionals a trobar, saps? Però és per completar la campanya. Fuck off! Hòstia, clàssica. Sí, aquest és l'enemic. Vale, Dolphin Dive lateral. It's motivation time. Vai, matxacada. Un altre Dolphin Dive, Dolphin Dive lateral. Uah, preciós. Max! Help! Porra! Rodrigo! It's motivation time! Haha! Dolphin Dive lateral! Estás a punto de morir. Tienes una última oportunidad de matar a Totacante. Vale. Sí, això sí que donen el jazz i pots fer anar. Dolphin Dive lateral i... última baixa. Bueno. Ja està. Sí, senyor. Sí, senyor. Cálmate, viejecito. E poi si sta facendo. Io che no sé che idioma hablai.
Cala a boca, cuzão! Continua dando multas. Não põe o nariz onde não é chamado. Vamos!
Mars Chuggers.
Chama uma ambulância!
Una ambulància. Ell è un terrorista. Fuck.
You did good, Max.
Ja ho sé, Ernest. Gràcies. Tu no has fotut res, cabron.
Hey, what could be better, huh? The good guys are reunited and the Comando Sombra are dead.
Comando Sombra.
Yes. So who's this guy?
I don't know. Some kind of cop.
Un policia local, no?
Branch of the
Que
police, not UFE, but
els de l'OFE són uns
I don't
cabrons.
know about this stuff. Politics. Everywhere politics.
I que ho diguis.
Actually look kind of beat up. Let's get this lot home and then I'll get you home too. Come on.
Els consells de l'Ernest Morriguei no es poden deixar passar. T'agrada la cocaïna, no?
Back home, it was time for some R&R, the only way I knew how.
Uy, ay, 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 cuidado! Me compadezco, tío.
I guess I was ready for bed.
Sí. Quina vida, xaval, com te'n vejo. Bona nit. Bueno, fi del capítol 1, capítol 2. Això ha estat tot per avui. 10 minuts de gameplay. El següent gameplay serà una partidaca de zombis amb el meu amic Arnau Estiarte i Carlos Sánchez. Se'ns penjaran una de cada canal. Bueno, jo ja em despedeixo, dedico aquest vídeo a Martí Campabadal, I Murriguei. Bye bye, hasta otro ratito.